Hello friends. I hope you are all doing great and enjoying good health. Today's journey is something special. We are traveling from Belgium to the Netherlands, but instead of using a busy motorway, we'll pass through a peaceful and beautiful border village. This route shows a different side of Europe that many tourists and even professional drivers never get to experience. As we drive closer to the border, you'll notice how calm everything becomes. The roads are clean, the houses are beautifully designed, and colorful flowers decorate many homes. There are bicycle lanes almost everywhere because cycling is one of the most popular ways to travel in both Belgium and the Netherlands. One of the most amazing things about traveling within the Schengen Area is that, in most cases, there are no regular immigration checkpoints between these countries. You can simply continue driving, and before you know it, you've entered another country. The only clues may be a welcome sign, different road markings, or changes in speed limits. This border village is a perfect example of how closely connected European countries are. People live, work, shop, and even go to school on both sides of the border. Daily life continues without interruption, making cross-border travel simple and convenient. As a truck driver, I always enjoy driving on these quiet roads. They offer a relaxing break from busy highways and heavy traffic. The peaceful countryside, green fields, and charming villages make every kilometer enjoyable. The Netherlands is famous for its excellent road network, modern infrastructure, and world-class logistics industry. Thousands of trucks transport goods through the country every day, connecting major ports like Rotterdam with destinations across Europe. Safety is always the first priority while driving. Even on small village roads, it's important to respect speed limits, watch for cyclists and pedestrians, and stay alert at all times. European traffic rules are strictly enforced to keep everyone safe. As we continue our journey, take a moment to enjoy the beautiful scenery around us, the clean environment, well-maintained roads, and peaceful atmosphere. Show why this region is admired by visitors from around the world. If you're planning to visit Europe someday, don't limit yourself to the famous cities. Small villages like this offer a unique experience and allow you to see the authentic beauty of the countryside. I hope you're enjoying this drive with me. If you like videos about European trucking, border crossings, beautiful villages, and life on the road, don't forget to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing, and turning on notifications so you never miss a new adventure.